In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your team city in my team in NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go over to my team, open it up, and what you need to go ahead and do is wait for it to load. Once it loads for you, you need to go ahead and tab over to the manage section and then go ahead and find lineups management on here and open it up. You're going to see your lineups on here. Essentially, go ahead and select your lineup and go over to the franchise section just like so, where you can go ahead and rename your team. So go ahead and just select team name, and this is where you can go ahead and select a new city for your team. Whenever you're done, you do need to make sure that you do hit accept and you'll be good to go. Now, I'm not going to change my team. I kind of like my team right now, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.